What's up, everybody? It's Stephen Williams, founder and president of the creditrepairshop.com, working in my home office. Just finished my workout, and I want to make this quick video about authorized user trade lines. I've just been made aware of something, and this happened to me personally for one of the accounts that I use to help boost my customer scores. And just a quick review, just in case you don't know what an authorized user trade line is, that's where someone lets you have where they put you on their account for a credit card, and they don't give you the card, but the credit card companies think that you're giving them the card, but you're responsible 100% for everything on that card. Uh, and the big benefit though is when you do that for someone, or you pay someone that does it for you, is that it gives you an automatic boost on your score as long as they've taken care of their account, no late payments. They only use like 20 to 30% of the card. Um, of the balance of the available credit that they can use on a monthly basis. They have a good payment history, at least a 2 year track record. Your score can boost. You can get qualified for a loan at a lower interest rate because it's like you're piggybacking on someone else's history, and it helps make your credit score look a lot better. And you can also get qualified for your own credit card because they're believing that you're using that card also, in that you're, managing your account. Are they legal? Yes, it's 100% legal, but let me tell you the big news of what's going on during the COVID, during this national emergency. Lot and what you have to be careful for with these, and I didn't think about it, but one of my trade line accounts that I use for customers got closed, and I was looking at the statement on the reason why they said it was closed. This was one that I've always paid. I actually only had it open just for my clients, and I just told my wife, charge like up to $1,000 on whatever you want each month, and then we'll pay it off, because it was specifically used for clients that we wanted to help them be able to boost their scores. Well, something that I had forgot about, which is if you're an authorized using helping other people with your authorized user credit card accounts, or if you're an authorized user on an account, this is something that you need to be aware of. Only credit card companies. Credit card companies can change your interest rate. Let's take away the authorized user part. Let's just say you have a credit card, you've been paying on it, never missed any payments, no late payments, no nothing. And then you have another credit card and you have a little bit of trouble with that credit card. Well, did you know that the credit card that you've been paying good and everything that you've been doing right uh, on that card can actually choose to close out that card? Or they can raise your interest rate. They can change the agreement that you had with them, even though you never screwed up with them, but you're kind of messing up with the other card. Well, as in when you have authorized user accounts, this is another thing that you have to be aware of, and I wasn't even thinking about it. When I place someone on my account as an authorized user, if they are screwing up with other things, with their own accounts, not even accounts that it's not like I'm on their accounts, but they're messing up with their own credit again, like something is going on, they're not able to pay their bills, they're not paying another credit card that they have, that actually can map over backwards onto the authorized user, not to mess up your credit because it's not your account, but they can choose to close the account because they believe that one of your authorized users is in financial trouble, and they don't want anything to map over to that account. They can actually close that account. What they should do is they should send you a letter saying that they want to turn off that authorized user because they're having financial problems that they could see. Credit card companies look at your credit reports and they analyze them with artificial intelligence all the time, every month, constantly, because they're it's an open account. You can charge stuff to that account over and over again. It's not like it's a an auto loan or like a regular loan. This is something that you can charge. So they want to make sure that you're worthy of being able to use that account. And so on one of my accounts, can you believe it? One of my good ones, they closed the account, and I did write them to get it. They sent me a letter saying that one of the authorized users has some type of activity that they're not comfortable with. They didn't tell me which one it was. They don't have the card, so it's not an issue where they were using the card. I keep all of the cards, so it wasn't an issue with that. I pay my balance off every month, so it wasn't an issue with that. What it was something where they saw their activity on how they're leading their life, and they decided to close the account because they don't know if they think that they have the card and that they could actually end up going, I guess, going buck wild with the card that they think that they have. So that's something that I wanted to make you aware of. Also, tomorrow we're going to go live. We're going to review a report. And what I'm going to start doing is anyone that uses the monitoring service that I have, you'll be able to send me that report, and we will do a live review on Fridays to let you know what I would do if I was in your shoes, or if you were to sign up with my company, how we would attack your credit repair problems. So I'm going to end the video here. This is Stephen Williams, founder and president of thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need help with your credit, visit my website, thecreditrepairshop.com. If you need your credit reports and scores, everything starts there. Visit the number 3scores.com. And until next time, thank you.